Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to generate text to voice using Google AI Studio. So let's get started. First of all, open a browser. I'm using Google Chrome browser. Then type aistudio.google.com. After that, you will see this interface if you are already signed in using a Gmail account. So now if you want to generate music or text to voice, click to speech and music and then click to Gemini 3.1. From here you can see multiple options. Click the everyday assistant. You can also use others. Basically I like this one, so click on this. Now it's time to paste your script. I want to get a script from Gemini, like select this part and copy and then again paste to this part. And now it's time to select your speaker or voice artist. From here click to this option and then you can see a use voice artist or speaker. Actually I like this speaker. Click this and close this window and then again run to generate the voice. You can also change the sample context and also change the scene. Within a few seconds I will get this voice like a voice artist.
The Almanac of Naval Ravikant teaches us that life is not a series of chores to be endured, but a collection of skills to be mastered.
So you can generate voice using this method. I think this video will help you to understand how to generate voice using AI Studio. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.